And Freddie Aguilar is the only guy as a solo singer who has nagbigay ng muka sa Philippine music in the stage world. Yung anak niya. Galing yan. Yan ang kontribusyon ni Freddie Aguilar sa buhay ng Pilipino. Tanungin ko kayo ngayon. Si Shell Jokno, abogado, human rights lawyer, anong na-contribute niya? Palaya sa mga komunista? Is that the contribution, thereby prolonging the war and killing amongst us for 53 years now? You want another 53 years? If one could merge lyrics with a tune, you have to be a bright person. Mga bright yan. Yung iba nga siguro anak lang ng mahirap. Pati makombine mo yung tune, pati yung salita at gawain mong kanta. You have to be a brilliant man.